Now before we test, you remember what we learned about radon?
Radon is a radioactive gas that comes from the ground and sneaks into people's houses.
And how do you know if you have it?
You don't. You can't see, smell, or taste it. So testing is very important if you're unsure about buying, selling, or renovating your home.
Exactly. Now as I go through this test, why don't you read up on how Lily Lung saved her family?
Step 1. Open the test and read the instructions. Fill in your personal information on the form and be sure to note the temperature of the room. Step 2. Prepare the kit. Grip securely at the top and bottom and gently fold at the top before the cardboard folds at the perforation. Finally, push to ensure a snug fit all around.
Where do you put this? Oh, the living room.
Step 3. You should place the test in a commonly used room on the lowest level, typically in the middle of the room, about 2 to 5 feet off the ground and 3 feet away from any doors, windows, or vents. Step 4. Before testing, make sure all windows and doors are closed. Let the test sit for 3 to 7 days, making sure not to move or disrupt it in any way.
Remember to not leave windows or doors open during this time. Don't even use the ceiling fan. This will ensure your test results are accurate. You can still use air conditioning as you normally would. After all, this is Arizona. Finally, don't move the kit until testing has completed. No shorter than 3 days and no longer than 7.
Wow, it's been a few days already.
Yep.
After the test, be sure to remove and recycle the plastic hook and cardboard inside of the kit. Seal it by peeling the sticker and pressing the sides together. Remember, return your kit as soon as possible via mail for the most accurate results.
Cool, so we just mail it out. Okay, looks like we're done. We just have to wait for the results. How was your story, Sweet Pea?
Great. Lily Lung stopped radon.
Depending on these results, your dad might have to stop radon too.
In the event your test results are above the EPA's action level of 4.0 picocuries per liter, be sure to visit us online to learn more about your mitigation options. Test your home for radon today. Be a Lily and visit us online at azhealth.gov/radon.